everyone, welcome back to Sane Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, condolences messages are pouring in for Connie Ferguson and his family after she shared a heartfelt message about her older brother who passed away. The veteran actress revealed the news of his passing through an emotional post on Instagram where she explained how she was glad that her brother was no longer in pain. In her touching post, guys, the co-producer of Ferguson film expressed how happy she was to have shared a precious moment with him at their father's 85th birthday in May. Ferguson also added that the birthday celebration was God's way of giving her and the family a chance to bid her brother a farewell. Ferguson concluded her tribute by saying how she believed her brother was no longer in pain. "I'm sorry, your last moment on this earth was so painful and uncomfortable. Rest now. God has taken that pain away," she wrote. Guys, Connie Ferguson and her siblings lost their mother in 2013, and in her post she also mentioned that their mother will be waiting to welcome the brother with open arms. Guys, we pray that the Lord may give them comfort and the strength they need in this difficult time. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.